You ever feel like January hits and you've got big goals, but no real plan to reach them? Today, I'm going to cut straight through the noise and give you 5 practical moves every MSP must make right now to turn a good year into a great one, without complexity, guesswork, or wishful thinking. Let's go. Ditch the vague, we want to grow this year goal. That's not a plan, that's hope, wearing a business casual outfit. Instead, pick one specific revenue target. Maybe it's 48 grand in new MRR. Maybe it's 75. Now reverse engineer it. What's your average MRR per client? How many deals does it take to hit that number? How many first appointments feed those deals? If it's not written down, it's not real. Clarity creates momentum. Second, stop saying you help everyone. That mindset kills positioning, weakens your sales conversations, and wastes marketing dollars. Look at your existing clients. Who's profitable? Who is easy to work with? Who actually values what you do? Write 2 short paragraphs. One describing your ideal client, and one describing who you never want to work with again. This becomes your filter for sales, marketing, and sanity. If your pipeline feels slow, the problem usually isn't leads. It's friction. Go back and look at stalled deals. Where did prospects hesitate? What objections keep coming up? Where do conversations fall apart? Fixing just one bottleneck in your sales process can dramatically increase closes without spending $1 more on marketing. Fourth, your website isn't broken. It's just unclear. You have about 10 seconds to answer 3 questions for a visitor. Who do you help? What problem do you solve? What should they do next? If that's not obvious instantly, traffic won't save you. Rewrite your homepage headline and call to action for clarity, not cleverness. Finally, pick one KPI and track it weekly for the next 90 days. Not 10 metrics, 1. Qualified appointments, opportunities created, net new MRR, whatever actually drives revenue. If you don't review it weekly, it doesn't matter. Focus creates consistency, and consistency creates growth. Here's the truth. Most MSPs don't fail because they lack tools or talent. They fail because they lack focus. Do these 5 things and you'll start the year with clarity, control, and momentum, while your competitors are still planning to plan. If you want help turning this into a real execution framework that actually sticks, that's exactly what we do. Scan the QR code to schedule a success call with us. No pressure, just an honest conversation. And to get a reverse engineered sales funnel worksheet, simply comment funnel and we'll send you the worksheet. Let's make this year your breakout year.